Want to unlock the power of WhatsApp for your business communications? Let's jump right into how to send messages using Aisensy. First, log into your Aisensy account, and you'll land on the dashboard to send a manual message. Navigate to the inbox section, typically found on the left-hand side menu. Click on the new chat button. A window will pop up asking you to enter the recipient's phone number with country code. Carefully enter the full phone number, including the country code, to ensure the message reaches the right person. Then, type your message in the text box below. Craft your message at any desired media like images or documents using the attachment icon. And finally, hit the send button. Your message is now on its way. Now, for broadcast messaging, go back to the dashboard and select broadcast. From here, you can create a new broadcast list and select your target audience. Aisensy also allows you to create automated flows. Use the flow builder to design complex conversation sequences triggered by specific keywords or user actions. Remember to track your message performance using Aisensy's analytics to understand engagement and optimize your future campaigns. That's it. You're now equipped to send WhatsApp messages like a pro with Aisensy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.